I've been asked why I'm going to do social media, why now? And that's a really good question because I don't know, really. This is not a place that I ever thought that I would find myself. I'm Amy Begley, founder of Pro Insurance Resources, which is a company built to support agents who are interested in marketing health and wealth products. I have built a business from mentors who, taught me how to recruit agents, how to attract, Medicare clients. But they are from, they started their careers in the 60s and 70s. And so those styles and those approaches I became acutely aware that they're not relevant anymore. And so when I started engaging people in what they were doing on social media and hearing the successes and truly hearing people share with me the value they get from listening to other people's content, I thought, well, it's time to grow up. So here I am with my channel, hoping that you'll find some value in what I have to offer. Perhaps you're looking for a partnership with an FMO that is more engaged in your day-to-day business, looking for more support in marketing ideas, streamlined tools, better technology, a true partner in this industry. Or perhaps you're currently employed and you're battling an urge to create your own and start your own business. You're looking for self-employment and a balance and an opportunity that will compensate you based on your work, not necessarily how a business or a corporation finances your position. You feel that you're worth more, that you can offer more, and should be compensated better, then this channel is definitely for you. So when I left corporate America to start Pro Insurance Resources, I designed the organization against everything that I had seen in the industry, meaning agents would complain about not receiving timely responses to emails or phone calls, or they felt that they were just a number and the FMO was just making money off of them and they had no, they served no purpose, had no value. We as an organization, but me personally, make sure that all of our agents know us. They have our telephone numbers, they have our cell phone numbers. We say, if you're working, we're working. And that is truly the heart of our organization. We are not successful. We can't be successful without your success. So what I do is I take the approach of getting to know you. I do make promises to agents that I will help them succeed or excel from where they currently are. But that promise is something that I make to both, them as well as their family, and I take that very seriously. So in getting to know individuals and their strengths and their weaknesses, I truly work within that space to help them develop a plan to reach the goals that they set for themselves. The funniest thing I hear about being an insurance agent, most people have this vision or this feel of it being almost like a used car sales guy, right? Like something that is, we're just selling policies to make money. But in all actuality, in the Medicare space tied with wealth products, what we're doing is taking individuals who have maybe never had to make any decisions about their own insurance. Perhaps an employer said to them, here's a high deductible health plan or a PPO, which one do you prefer? And that's as far as their knowledge is of how insurance works. And now they're facing retirement, which is a significant change in their life. And they have to navigate insurance that comes from the federal government. It is very confusing. And then have to choose policies to help supplement that. So that is a very, very difficult transition for many people. And I feel, at least my agents know, that they are educators, that we are simply helping people transition to a new stage in their life. And with that comes Medicare products, as well as things like annuities to help create a personal pension plan or life insurance legacy planning. The content that you can expect on this channel is really for several groups. So whether you are a current agent selling insurance, or you're considering a career in the insurance industry, or perhaps you're just an individual looking for some guidance on how to go from employment to self-employment, even outside of the insurance business. My vision for this channel is to share my journey with you and the experiences that I had in going from corporate America into self-employment, as well as provide you some tools and thoughts and ideas to help you kind of plan what your future looks like if you're looking to make a change. So if this sounds like you, go ahead, check out some of my other videos and let me know what you think.